My name is Tarun Katyal. I've been associated with Vodafone for about 6 years. I handle the technology vertical for them, so anything to do with fixed and mobile data, it basically falls under my purview. I'm sorry we chose a wrong day to put you inside the room. Last couple of days were very, very hot, so we decided the weather is good. Let's call everyone inside the room, while it's raining outside. So to basically cut the story short, we'll be taking you through our capability presentation. We'll talk about what products we have, primarily in the fixed line domain and mobility data. So my first slide talks about the big trade-off. So this is something which each and every company's CIO and an IT manager is basically thinking right now. Whether they go for a flexible solution or whether they go for a secure solution. So there's a constant thought in their mind, whether to basically allow their users to bring the devices. There's a constant threat of security, both at the firewall level and at the mobility level. That is where technologies like DDoS have come into picture. So this is typically, what CIO's brain, which I call. Left side, social networking, everyone have the smartphones. They're talking about Facebooks, they're talking about WhatsApp. Mobile devices invasion, each and every day we hear a new model being launched, and now it has actually come down to a space where new operating systems are getting launched. There's data, each and everywhere. You think about the space, there's basically data, new technologies each and every day. So how do I secure them? We have internet, we have voice, we have VPN, remote access, mobile data, devices, conference solutions. So what is that, Vodafone would actually bring on table? So we have our Vodafone way. So, we can offer connectivity through our MPLS to home users. Employees are traveling, we can connect them via a virtual APN. We have users on iPads and smartphones. Cyber cafes is something we are also into now, where we can offer technology and solutions till the cyber cafes. Our partners and vendors, very, very important role which they play now. So typically, if you go to an enterprise customer, they're looking for an end-to-end managed services. What a service provider like Vodafone brings on table is just pure connectivity. But there are various things which comes along with the connectivity. You require a router. You require security, you require devices which is made by an OEM like a Nokia or Samsung. So typically what we are entering now in the space that we want to stitch everything together. Also offer desktop support, at remotest of locations. So that is our USP. So this is, now I want to actually take you through a video, so which will basically represent, what we think about is basically the future. This will give you a clear thought of your day, while you are basically making a presentation. So please pay attention to it. So probably if I would have showed this video about, I think 3 years back, it would have sounded like a science fiction movie straight out of Star Trek. But possibly people sitting in this room, I'm sure, each and every aspect of the solution which I showed, somewhere you're basically using it. So this is in fact the future, from an enterprise to a consumer to now, government organizations, each and every one wants to be connected. Each and everyone's pain point is information, real-time information. So that is what Vodafone brings on the table. With this, I will basically hand over the mic to Dr. Amit Panija. He works with me in my team. Yes, he's famously the doctor for us. So he'll take you through all the products which we have in detail. I wish you all the best for your presentation throughout the day. I'm here to see you around. Around that. Thank you so much. Thanks.